Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Fruitlab and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money online? Is it legit? How much money can you really make? Or are there better ways to make money on the internet, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. You can check that out if you want. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them are straight up a waste of time. So let's check out Fruitlab to find out whether this is a good way for you to earn income on the internet, okay? Now, Fruitlab is a very cool website. First of all, it's a legit platform, and this is designed mainly for gamers, and there are a few different things that you can do on the site. So the first thing is when you log in here, and you can create a free account very, very easily. It's a global app. It covers most countries in the world, but not every single country, so it just depends on where you live, okay? Now, if you come to the top here, you can see a play button and a joystick button. If you click on the joystick button, there are a few different things that you can do, and you can basically play different games and play different activities, right? So you can play games like Apex Legends, PUBG, Rocket League, Dota 2 as well, and you can also take part in premium events. Depending, again, if you live in the right country, you will see this and it'll look slightly different for you, okay? So this is one of the things that you can do on the actual app. You can also take place in or play premium events, again depending on where you live in the world. It's not available where I am right now. Challenges as well, again depending on where you live. And then looking for gamers, so these are people that are online right now, so people from all over the world. They're online. You can DM them directly, you can view their stats, and you can even challenge them on different games. So if you're really looking to game, this is a very, very cool platform, okay? Now, playing the games don't really earn you money, all right? But what actually does make you money is if you come to this play sign right here. There are two main ways that you can make money. The first way is you can watch the videos on the actual platform itself. So if you see all these little videos right here, these are user-generated videos, okay, which you can also do, and I'll show you how to do that in a second, right? And the way that you would make money is I would basically find the longest videos possible, like this one right here, okay, Fortnite, it's 20 minutes long. This is a 24-minute long video. I'm gonna click into one of them to see whether it's gonna show me some ads, okay? Now, you can see it playing, right? And you can see the video, this guy is playing right here, this game, okay? Now, unfortunately, it's not showing an ad for me because it depends on where you live in the world, all right? If you live in a country where they do show ads, then an ad will pop up on the bottom right-hand side, and the longer the ad shows, the more pips that you will make up here, okay? We'll talk about how much they're worth in a minute, but basically, you can claim your pips, and that's how you can exchange your pips into real money, all right? And we'll talk about what the conversion rate is in a second. Now, unfortunately, I'm not seeing any ads right here, so I'm just gonna go back and see if I can, see it on another video. I'm gonna check this video out right here, Lethal Company, and I'm gonna play it to see whether I can actually see any ads, right? Unfortunately, I don't see any ads right here either, okay? So make sure that when you're watching the videos, you see the ads pop up in the bottom right hand side. Otherwise, you're not going to make any money from ad revenue by watching videos, okay? Now, the big question is let's just say you live in a country where they are showing ads. How much money can you really make from the ads being shown, okay? Well, roughly, it's only a few pips for every hour of video ads that you watch. You have to remember that the company doesn't make that much money from showing you video ads, so they can't give you that much money for watching the ads. Does that make sense, right? So think about that number for a second. An hour, you're gonna make maybe 3, 4, 5 pips, okay? Remember that number. We're gonna come back to that later, okay? So that's one of the ways that you can make money. A better way to make money on Fruitlab is to actually upload the videos that are that are happening right here, okay? So this is all user-generated content, okay? And the way that you can upload your videos is you would come to the top right here and you would click on upload, okay? Now, once you click on upload, you're gonna be able to upload a video. It must be at least 15 seconds. I recommend that you upload longer videos, between 8 minutes and 10 minutes, because the longer your videos are, the more ads they can show on your videos and the more potential money that you can make. Now, make sure you read all of these rules, right? No fake giveaways, no duplicate videos, no nudity, things like that. And it only makes sense for you to do this if you're a gamer yourself and you're interested in uploading content around gaming, okay? And the way it works is the more content that you upload and the longer that you're on the platform, the higher the chances that you have of being discovered. Okay, so I would highly recommend that you go after popular content like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Warzone, Minecraft. If you're not really into this kind of content, then you might struggle a little bit to get people to find your videos, because this is kind of like YouTube. It's a platform, right? And so based on your on-page SEO, your keywords and things like that, and how long you've been on the platform will determine whether people can actually find your content or not. Because if you think about it, there isn't that much space on this, you know, on the discover page, right? So your popularity will depend on how long you've been on the platform, how good your content is, and what kind of keywords that you're actually going after. All right, now let's just say you do a good job, okay, and people actually find your videos right here. On average, okay, and it's slightly different for every video, okay, because it depends on the length of your video, how good it is, what the content is about, but roughly it's about you will get roughly about 200 pips for every 400 views that you generate. So this video right here, roughly, this guy, Super Chorus, would have made roughly about 200 pips so far. Okay, now I'm going to come back to how much those pips are worth, but remember that number, okay? 200 pips for roughly about 400 views. So if you're doing a few thousand views, you know, this might be about 1,000 pips, 1,500 pips right here. This one might be about 1,000 pips as well, maybe a slightly less, 800 pips, okay? And then the more videos you upload, the more chances of you being seen, and the more pips you can potentially make, okay? So let's talk about the withdrawal, okay? So to withdraw money, you would basically come here, make sure you set up your wallet right here. You would come to the shop, okay? Now, unfortunately, I can't show you the shop right now because they are under maintenance, okay? But the way that this works is under the shop section, when you, you know, when it comes back up for you, you can exchange your pips into gift cards. Now, depending on where you live in the world, you choose your country, they will have different gift cards. So they have all sorts of gift cards, Twitch, Uber, Amazon, Walmart, Xbox, Vodafone, eBay, and you can withdraw your pips and withdraw them into real money. Now, the only thing about Fruitlab is the threshold is very, very high, okay? Other online gaming platforms and other make money, you know, free make money online websites, usually the threshold is $1 to $5. It's quite low. But for Fruitlab, the minimum is $50. And in order for you to get to $50, depending on the country that you're in, is a range between 9,000 and 13,000 pips will equal to 50 bucks. Okay, so remember that number, 9,000 to 13,000 pips. That's a lot of pips to get 50 bucks. Okay, remember what I said earlier? This video right here is roughly making about 200 pips. So depending on how many videos you upload and how popular they are, will depend on how many pips that you get. But, you know, again, if you want to make money this way, you need to upload a lot of content and you have to build your reputation on the platform. Okay, people follow people that they like. It's kind of like YouTube. The longer you've been on, the more videos you upload, the higher the chances of you getting more views and getting more pips. But that will take you a little while, okay? Now, if you were just to watch the videos, like you're not uploading, you're just watching the video, it will literally take you, you know, weeks and months before you will ever get anywhere close to 10,000 pips on average to withdraw $50. Okay, so I don't suggest watching video ads because that will take you like hours, and I mean you'd have to watch like, you know, 10 hours a day for months before you get anywhere close to 10,000 pips. The best chance you have of making money on this platform is to upload content, but remember it's still a lot of work. Okay, some of these guys right here, they've uploaded a lot of videos. I'm not sure about Super Chorus right here. Let's see, you know, whether he's uploaded a lot of videos, but you know, you can see that he's uploaded a fair amount of content on here. Okay, a lot of content, right? So this guy making okay money, like not a ton of money, but you know, he's doing okay, I would say. All right, so again, build it up. I mean, some of the videos are pretty big, like 24,000 views, like 15,000 views, but he's making about how many pips there? That's roughly about 5,000, maybe 7,000 pips that he's making for that video. So he made maybe some pretty good money here, almost 10,000 pips. So for that, he might be able to get, you know, almost $50 for that particular video, right? But in order for you to get these kind of views, I mean, you have to work hard. Okay, it's not super easy. But this guy is doing okay. All right, so here's what I would say. If you want to make big money with Fruitlab, you have to become an uploader. Okay, and remember, in the early days, you're not going to make that much money at all. It's going to take quite a lot of effort, right? But is this going to be life-changing income? Probably not. Can you make thousands of dollars from Fruitlab? I mean, it's going to take a long time and it's a lot of hard work. I would say for the most part, you would make a little bit of extra, 50 bucks here, 50 bucks there, but that's still going to take a lot of work, all right? To get to the thousands of dollars per month, I mean, it's basically like, YouTube style. Like, there are 99% of YouTubers don't make any money, right? 1% of them make decent money. So are you willing to put in the time onto this platform to make life-changing income? It's going to take a long, long time, and you really have to roll up your sleeves and play the long game. Just understand that, okay? But for the most part, 99% of people are just going to make 50 bucks here, 50 bucks there. So what I would say is Fruitlab is a cool platform. It's very much for gamers, all right? So I wouldn't bother watching the video ads because it's so little money, it's too much time. But if you are willing to make good content and upload video, then this could be a way to make some additional money. Are you going to become big time and make life-changing income? Highly unlikely. But if you're willing to be on the platform for a long time, I'm talking years, okay, then maybe you can get to some bigger income levels. So if you want to check out Fruitlab, fruitlab.com. All right, now if you are watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to create life-changing income online, and I've reviewed so many ways to make money on the internet, hundreds and hundreds of different types of business models and platforms. And for me, for a beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month 100% online is a very particular strategy. And if that interests you, click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. You can check that out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video today of Fruitlab, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.